Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can put a green screen behind an object in CapCut PC. So here I've already added a clip to CapCut PC and I want to put a green screen behind this person. So I'm going to need to remove the background of the clip first. So I'm going to just click on the clip and then go to cutout. Then I'm going to use the auto cutout feature. So just scroll down in here and then click on the auto cutout to remove the background. Okay, so I've already enabled the auto cutout and the background has been removed from the clip. Okay, after you remove the background, you can just add the green screen now to track and now put the video here, the clips with the person on it, on top of the video and adjust the length or the durations of the green screen so that it fits with the video and you are done. So you can adjust the size by zooming it in like this. And now the green screen has been successfully put behind the all from me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click on the thanks. Bye.